Manilo Law Group. He is here to answer your legal questions and help you out. Now, you usually have to schedule a time out of your day to go down and talk to an attorney. Sometimes they'll charge you for their time, and you get charged for your time because you got to take time off from work because they're working when you're working, all that stuff. Not when Stuart's here, and he is here to answer your legal questions, Amy. Go ahead.
Awesome. So me and my boyfriend were September 27th, exactly today, we're in an accident on the highway where it was a young kid. He was like 19 years old, about 70 mile an hour. We're both going in the same direction. He went to go around me, hydroplaned, and ran into literally the front end of his car went in between my Jeep tire and my wheel well.
Oh.
Destroyed his car, almost rolled me in the process. I wound up not flipping, saved my Jeep. We got settled. My Jeep has very minimal damage to it. Very
what do you mean
minimal.
we got settled? What does that mean?
Oh, boy.
Like because when he hit me, he pushed me up on two wheels.
Oh, the car got settled. It stopped.
Oh,
okay.
okay.
I thought you meant the case settled. I'm like, that's a short weave in there. Go ahead.
No, we have not settled anything, and this is why my problem comes. State Farm is accepting a couple of the damages to my Jeep, but they're telling me that there's no. So my windshield wound up spidering and on the passenger side, and then the clip on my roof that clips my top down, the header, it cracked. So now my top doesn't latch properly. There's a big gap in it when we drive down the highway. Wind comes in like a kite. And the insurance company is fighting me tooth and nail about the damages. They're saying that there's absolutely no way that it happened. After the accident happened, a rock wound up hitting the windshield. I called the insurance company and told them, hey, listen, a rock hit the windshield. I want you guys to note this.
Don't be overly volunteering things to these people.
Well, see, and that's the thing. When they came in, and I provided pictures, they have pictures of the windshield after the accident prior to the rock hitting it. So there is proof that the rock...
Well, has the car been at a repair shop and have estimates, damage reports, documentation from a repair shop? Those people tend to be your friends with this. They want to get paid by insurance too, and sometimes these people will go to bat for you on that.
They're on my side. They're like, know, hey, listen, our job is to make sure that your vehicle gets fixed. But every time that they put in a supplement to have something looked at, the insurance company denies it right away.
Don't agree to any settlement right now. What was I going to say here? Is the car? What's the deal with the car? Is it drivable, or what's the deal?
I mean, yeah, it's drivable. It's like I said, very minimal damage. The windshield, the top, and then when he hit us at the tire, it put a big gouge in my tire with a bubble, and it damaged the rim.
Bubble.
Cracked my fender that goes over the flare, not the fender, the flare that goes over the fender, and then like my tail light. My license plate cover. Very minimal damage. So far with what they are agreeing to pay on, it's only $2,218. But that doesn't cover the windshield, and that doesn't cover my top. They'd refuse to pay for that.
What justification did they give you?
That I'm a liar.
That it wasn't possible.
It's impossible that for the rate of speed that I'm claiming and that I was hit at, that there's no way possible that my vehicle sustained that damage, front end damage.
Were you guys injured in this accident?
I mean, not to the point where we had to go to the hospital, no.
Did you guys have any medical treatment of any sort from it?
No, sir.
Okay. So
I didn't go to work. I lost out on work that day. He lost out on work that day. But no, we didn't. Again, the young man who hit us, I mean, he was only a 19-year-old kid. Very apologetic. It wasn't his fault.
Well, that has nothing to do with whether you're injured or not.
Right.
Right.
Sure. I mean, it's negligence.
Like
it's not intentional.
Right. And like I was trying to explain to the insurance company, we're not trying to get more than what we feel is right. I just want my Jeep fixed. What it was before we had the accident.
If they're absolutely refusing to budge and to do what they need to do to make you whole, I mean, what they owe you with your vehicle damage is a repair to pre-accident condition, or if it's a total loss, they owe you, quote unquote, the value of the vehicle at the time that they hit it. And for people listening, if that happens, check the Kelley Blue Book, kbb.com. Go online, see comparable vehicles, make, model, close to mileage as your vehicle, and that can help with that. But for you here, it sounds like they're not trying to make you whole to get your vehicle in the pre-accident condition. I don't know how much extra money this is necessarily here. If they are just refusing to budge, a lawsuit would be that avenue. I'm sure there are some lawyers that will do a property damage only claim. We don't, but I'm sure there are some that would. I don't know how much damage you have here that they're not willing to pay for, what the cost of that are and the cost benefit. But yeah, I mean, if they absolutely refuse to budge after you show all your documentation, which it sounds like you have, it sounds like you've got your ducks in a row, which is a good thing, and you've got this repair shop going to vouch for you too, which generally will take care of it as well. But if they still refuse to budge after all that, a lawsuit would be that remedy.
Okay.
And going in the court system.
So find me a property damage lawyer and go about it that way.
It's about getting our Jeep back before then, because...
Right, that's a good question. My old man asked, would we be able to get our Jeep back?
Where's the Jeep?
With all of this. It's at the body shop.
Well, that's between you and the body shop.
Yeah.
It's your car.
Okay.
Well, if we
own it.
But if we don't accept their settlement, then we can't get the car fixed.
We can't get the car fixed until
if you accept their settlement, then you're done.
Yeah.
There's no going back after that.
No. So if we don't accept it, however long this takes with the lawyer, then once
stays there.
The settlement done, then we get the Jeep fixed.
Yep.
Well, I don't know if it stays the body. It's your car. You can do what you want with it.
Yeah, no, I'm not saying leave it at the body shop. I'm saying we'll have to go get it back from the body shop.
Yeah, but it's going to sit
with the lawyer, and then once the settlement is over, then you could get it fixed.
Right. Yeah. Nobody's going to fix it and just wait for your settlement to be done. Right.
Awesome. Okay.
There you go.
Wish you the best of luck.
Luck is what I need right now.
All right. Take care. Thank you for calling.
A free lawyer who handles this claim.
Yeah, no. But thank you. That's what Stuart's here for. He's here to help and steer you in the right direction. 513-749-1027. That's the phone number. Thank you for her for calling. And if you want in, Stuart's here for you from the Manila Law Group. It's EBN.